What are you doing? Do you love playing with that string? Huh? Do you? You can talk to me? Huh? Do you see yourself? Do you see that baby? Can you talk to that baby? Can you talk? That baby will talk back to you if you talk to it. What?